I want to show you how anyhousecleaning.com does their business, the residential cleaning services for all the clients. This is a remix video for different type of clips. This video was uploaded in YouTube 13 years ago. On the description, I'm gonna put the original video. Yesterday, I received an email from YouTube saying that I had a copyright song from this video, and they suggest to redo the video. So I'm gonna take advantage of this and explain you how we do it for all those years, what kind of products and equipment and brands we use and still using. It's amazing. It amazed me to see how well we did 15 years ago, 13 years ago, and we are still using the same way, like the same brands and the same equipment. For example, this is our protein backpack vacuum, HEPA filtration, full level filtration. The attachment that we have been using right now is especially for hard surface. It can be doing with wood. Really good vacuum for new construction or post remodeling cleaning. We start our business doing post construction and new remodeling cleaning. This vacuum use a brush that doesn't damage the surface. Also, this brand, that is the protein, has another attachment, especially for carpets, and it will pull out all the dry soil. You're gonna see in a few another clip, I'm gonna mention that. Some people doesn't like to use backpack vacuum because they think it's heavy on their back, even though it's really ergonomic. We are still pet friendly. We love pets, animals. Most of our clients or have kids, or they are really busy with work, or they have cats, dogs, and they need our services. We are located in Davenport, Florida, and we serve all Central Florida. The backpack vacuum is really good, at least for me, because it's versatile. I can move freely. I'm used to so many years to use it on my back with no problem at all. I'm using right now the round brush detail to dust the corners of furniture. If you don't like to use a backpack, you can also use an upright vacuum or canister vacuum. But I suggest to use a floor attachment. Most of the vacuums right now has a hose, and the hose can be connected with a wand, and the wand can be connected with the floor brush. You can buy those attachments in Amazon. I have been using this yellow cloth for so many years. Really good to pick it up all the pet hair and the muslin yellow cloth. You can use it in flat surface. You can even put under the flat mop and dust the walls, the floor. Great for ceiling fans. Another thing that we always use and still using is a magic eraser. The steamer to clean and sanitize even the front surface of the refrigerator, to remove all the fingerprints, and not using anything that is oily to leave residue. So microfiber cloth, a little bit of water, or a steam cleaner to sanitize the surface is what we still using until now. You can go to our channel and we have a playlist. And on the playlist, you can see vapor steamer, steam cleaning, sanitizing, and you can see many videos where we use the vapor steamer We use it in this particular house in the kitchen area for each line to remove all the grime and dirt just with plain water and steam. Even though most of our clients has really good vacuums in their house like Dyson, we use a protein bag vacuum but with the attachment specifically for carpets that has electric nozzle and a bar, so it will pull all the dry soil from the carpet. We use different type of vacuum for different type of situation. Actually, we upgraded some vacuums. The protein now we have a better version that is the Go Fit 6 quarts and Go Fit 3 quarts. We always invest in the best equipment and services. We upgraded our transportation. We bought a new van. We invest in the truck mount. Nowadays, we offer not only deep cleaning, post remodeling, but now we offer steam carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, some soft wash, pressure washing. We invest in uniforms, in equipment. Now we have commercial equipment to clean not only the tile and grout or carpet but the vinyl floor. We have been seeing that most people change the carpet from LVP or LVT, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and we can clean that. Another brand that we use is the Anger brand for cleaning the windows, squeegee, the glass. Now I have a business partner that is Sonia, and she's in charge with another team that do the recurring bi-weekly or weekly housekeeping services. Follow on our Facebook page. For dusting ceiling fans, we use an extension pole, a duster, but we cover the duster with the Pro Team Duster sleeve. Nowadays, we use a Swifter, and we also love the backpack because we can reach the high double ceiling or the vents. Gabby was in charge in the kitchen at that moment, using the Anger extension pole with the duster and the cover sheet for the duster. Another thing is Carmen Maria or Carmari was always in charge. Everything about heights, high windows. She always was in the ladder or in the kitchen area or cleaning the rails from the sliding door glass. We miss her a lot. Nowadays, Sonia is the person in charge to put it in the ladder and reach high window, high ceiling fans. We are still using the vapor steamer. 15 years ago, it was only available online. Nowadays, you can buy it in Amazon or go to Walmart. We have been invested all this year in better machines. Now we have a powerful orbital machine to clean all the tile and grout by Phoenix OP machine. And I hope that you too allow me to update this video. Thank you for watching. 407-572-4118 anyhousecleaning.com.